Hi, I'm Grant from Tella, and I'm going to show you how to record your first video. Head up here and push on the record button. You'll see this message which asks if you want to use the web app or the Mac app. I'm going to show you how to use the web app in this video. Now in Tella there are 3 different ways that you can record. You can use the web app, which I'm about to show you. You can use the Mac app or the Chrome extension. For those latter 2, you should head to our Help Center and check out the dedicated videos there to learn how to use them. And finally, before we jump into the actual demo, if you're on Windows, you won't actually see the message which I just showed you on screen. Instead, you'll be taken directly into the web app to record just like we are now. Now, before you can record, the first thing you'll need to do is to give Tella permission to access your camera and microphone via your web browser. Once you've done that, and Tella needs both the camera and microphone permission, you will see this little green bar on the microphone icon showing that it is picking up an audio signal, and obviously you'll see a preview of your camera like we can see here. Down here you can toggle on and off your camera and microphone by pushing these buttons. You can also click on these arrows to change which device is being used, which camera or microphone. Then once you've got the right mic and camera selected, you can see everything is looking good. All you need to do to start recording is head down here and push this red button. You'll get this countdown, which you can use as a way to get ready. Then once it's done, the camera is rolling, you're being recorded, you can see the timer here. While you're recording, you've got a couple of different options. You can cancel the recording and go back to the setup screen. You can push the restart button if you make a mistake and just want to quickly restart the countdown. You can see the countdown appears here. You can also click to dismiss the countdown. And then, of course, when you're happy with the first clip that you've recorded, you can push the red button to stop. That will add the clip that you've recorded to the clip bar down here. Now, at this point, there are 2 main options. You can push the preview button and that will take you into the editor where you can start working on your video or share it, or you can stay in the recorder like we are now and record your next clip. This is a very important concept in Tella. Tella lets you record in separate clips and then have them combined together in the editor to create a single video. This is a much easier way of recording videos rather than having to record everything in one long clip, which is hard to get right. Breaking it into these smaller parts makes it a much more manageable experience. And so we can go and start recording our second clip. Now, in this first one, I just recorded a quick clip of my camera, but you're probably here to record your screen. And so we are going to hit share screen, and I'm going to pick a tab with the Tella website, and you can see here is a preview of what it is that I want to record, and I've got my camera preview up here, and now all we need to do is push the big red button to start the recording again, and this is going to record our second clip of our screen and camera. At this point, now that we're recording our screen, you want to switch over to what it is that you're actually recording. And so in this case, it's the Tella website. So I'm going to switch over here, do my demonstration, show all the cool stuff on the website. Then when I'm done, I'm going to switch back to Tella like this, and then head down here and push the red button to stop recording the clip. And then if we head down and check out the clip here, you can see the second clip has been added to our video. So now we've got the first clip and the second clip, and that is how you record your first video in Tella. All that's left to do now is to hit the preview button, and that will take you into the editor where you can start editing your video.